Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert Austin sidebar text box in MS Word. Austin sidebar is specifically designed to sit on the edge of the page to provide supplementary information without disturbing the flow of the main body text. So you can find this feature in the Insert tab. So in the text box, you need to click on this arrow, and on the right side here is the Austin sidebar. You need to click on that. So Word will automatically insert the style box on the side of the current page. The primary reason to use the sidebar like the Austin style is to improve document hierarchy and readability. Basically, Austin sidebar breaks up walls of text, making the document look more professional and less intimidated to the reader. Moreover, it is perfect for did you know section, full quotes, or technical definitions that are relevant but not central to the main arguments. So, for example, in the title you can type project milestones and just remove it, and now insert the home and paste a bullet here. You can select any bullet point here, for example this one, and now you can type phase 1 alpha testing. January 2026, and similarly phase 2 beta release testing, February 28, 2026. Hit enter, and then phase 3 global launch of the product, March 12, 2026. Let me unzoom that. So if you want to move the sidebar, simply you need to click on the border of the text box and drag it like this one. Moreover, you can click on this layout option and click the in front of text. So by applying in front of text, the Austin sidebar will jump over your text. So moreover, you can also change the size of the text box. For this, you need to right click and click on the more layout options, and here you need to click on the size and click on the absolute and change the size to 6 inch and width is 2.5, and now click OK to apply, and here you can reduce the size of the Austin sidebar text box. You can also resize it by dragging this like this one, and this is much better. So this way you can easily insert Austin sidebar text box in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.